Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, another day in crypto land. It's Wednesday. Let's start with Bitcoin on daily. Let's see what we have. We had a rough night, seems like. Everything is red, and people they're expecting only green and only big numbers. So let's see what we have on daily on Bitcoin. Good morning, Bukur. Good morning, Sebastian, Robert. One of you, please tell me if audio and video are okay, so I could keep going. In meantime, looking at Bitcoin on daily, if you remember, we draw this house level here. From this high to this low, this is the consolidation, the W kind of idea. And I specifically said that we'll fight this level. Well, we are fighting. We'll accept above to the next level, or we'll go back down to retest the old all-time high. Who knows? Not 69, maybe 75 kind of idea. Let's see what will happen. But we are fighting here. We have 3 days. If you'll put 4-hour chart, you'll see it even better. No? It's a fight at that level. That's why I love house levels so much. That's why I'm using them for targets, because they are working really nice. Yeah, it's a nice way to know. Well, yeah, it's pumping, but we'll probably stop at that level and we'll fight that area. Well, not too many people could say that. Huh? Not too many people could say, well, we'll stop there and we'll fight. No. So I love this tool here. Now, on daily we had nice push to the upside. We stopped here. Indecision candle kind of idea yesterday, and today candle is still open. Usually we consolidate and we decide up or down. It's a bit too much, maybe 90,000. I don't know. That's relative. Too high is not a clear level for crypto. We can go to the next level. I'm expecting us to go above 100k at this point this month. Nah, not quite. But it's not up to me. If the market will push higher, I'll accept it. Okay. My bags will say thank you. By the way, people, altcoins will not grow in one day 10x and the second day 10x. Now the altcoins are still at the bottom, still in the buying zone. So if you have your bags full, wait. I know it's hard, but same is for everyone. If you still are in the process of buying, well, enjoy discounts. Yeah, Black Friday kind of deal. So it's totally up to you. Not too many things we can say today about Bitcoin. What we can say, you can see here on the bottom of the chart, we have some news today. Yeah? You can activate that for trading view so you see them for yourself. Now, if we go on the economic calendar, you can see inflation rate, yeah, month to month, year to year, and so on. So, half an hour before we'll start the New York session live stream, we'll have the news. So when we'll open the live stream, the news will be already behind us. We'll know how the market reacted. And after that, it's pretty clean the rest of the day. Yeah. Tomorrow we have PPI and Powell speaking again, but seeing what he said and how he said it last time when we had the FOMC, I don't think will be something bad. Who knows? On Friday we have retail sales. So today it's a bit more ugly with a lot of news, but tomorrow and Friday I probably think it's okay to trade. So watch out in the New York session. Let's go back on the Bitcoin. Let's put a little bit the on daily, RSI and OBV. You can see no divergence yet. Love to see that RSI, it's in the overbought area, but I don't see divergence, I don't see anything bad. So we are still okay-ish to push higher. Yeah? We should chase? No, we should wait for a dip. When that dip will come, we don't know. But if will be something I should do for beginners or for most of the traders, I'll forbid to short the market. Not even to hedge. No, don't even think about it. You are not allowed to short, only to long. Well, I have my setup. Okay, use it on the long side, not on the short side. And I promise you, your win rate and your profit will grow. Okay? If you want to do something easy to improve your win rate and your profit and your risk to reward and everything overall, don't short the market. Yeah, I know you'll not find as many setups, but I promise you, you'll be more profitable. But you have to wait for a dip and play the setups, not the FOMO. Okay, that's my thinking. The easiest way to improve is don't short. It's a bull market. It's an uptrend on everything. And altcoins are at the bottom, okay, but you don't want to short at the bottom. You want to wait for a clear setup. We'll discuss about altcoins on 4-hour chart a bit later. Now, that's Bitcoin on daily. Let's see Ethereum on daily. Now, you can see what I see here. I said yesterday we touched short relow zone. We are on 61.8. Don't chase. Don't be the last to buy Ethereum here. If you didn't like Ethereum at 2,500, don't chase here. And you can see Ethereum is not disappointing. Is rejecting 61.8. Where we should think about buying again? Well, on daily chart, we should think here at 2,800 kind of idea. You can see the support. You can draw a trend line. You can draw a long relow zone. Okay, not a short one. Let's switch to the long one. Well, there you go. You can see in this area, we can think about hunting long ideas. Well, 61.8 is good enough. Maybe if we'll touch that level and then we can go for our chart and see a W. But chasing here, Ethereum? Well, because Ethereum is waking up. Yeah, it's waking up, but slowly. It's big. Not go to the moon in 1 second. So that's my thinking. Buy the dip, but on daily, on lower time frame, you can find setups even here. So that's my thinking here. Let's see indicators. Well, at least. Well, we don't have something like this. Look left, look at what I have here. Bear divergence on RSI and everything. Yeah? I marked that one and look what happened. Nice EM. And down. We don't have that for the moment. Well, that's good. So if they will go straight down in the long relow zone, form a double and push higher, I'll be more than happy to do something about it. Nice OBV in this move. Yeah, you can see the OBV was telling us something. We had bullish divergence here. We had everything and straight up. Okay, Bitcoin dominance. Well, unfortunately, guys, our scenario or my scenario, I don't want to put pressure on you. Yeah, my scenario was okay-ish until 60%, and then you can see what happened. Yeah, we are pushing higher. We are at 61. I don't mind to see Bitcoin at 90K and altcoins bleeding a little bit and Bitcoin dominance at 61. I don't mind. I will not mind to see Bitcoin at 100K and Bitcoin dominance at 65. Or Bitcoin at 120K and Bitcoin dominance at 70%. Why? Because after that, we should have a relief and that will be okay-ish. Bitcoin to stop growing, go sideways, maybe even a flash retracement, and that will give us the best opportunities to buy on altcoins. Yeah, It's not easy to play this game with altcoins. Next time, if you don't like this game, please stay on Bitcoin. Buy the dip on Bitcoin. Buy when, like I said, that below $20, 20K. Buy the dip dollar cost average on Bitcoin. And nothing you should do after that. Just wait until P cycle top will tell you, well, sell some or sell everything. Altcoins are hard to play. Could make a lot of money, of course. A lot more than Bitcoin, yeah. But it's not easy to play that game. So for the moment, I don't have anything here anymore. I have a new high, so I have to wait. No EM. Maybe something like this? Maybe, I don't know. Let's see indicators. Well, I have potential bearish divergence here. What I could think about potential bearish divergence here? I could think about a possible head and shoulder. Yeah? Shoulder, forming the head now, going back down and form a head and shoulder. Who knows? But don't kid yourself. Bitcoin dominance is telling you that Bitcoin is strong. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, we are still possible to make that double here in this area. We'll do it. I don't see any sign here of W on daily. Nothing. We are still in the right direction. You can see we touched 78.6. Everyone will say, well, we'll bounce from here. No. Wait. Let's see now if we'll not attack the low and if we'll not push lower. If we'll form a W, then okay, we can think about something. But until then, was a dead cat bounce, a nice and strong one. Now we are getting back in this environment where I should say again, don't be bearish here. Okay, let's move this one. And that's it. Morning, Stefan. Morning. Well, hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button if you want. It's a public video. I decided to stay on public so you can share the video. I think it's the best to keep it for the public. Why? Well, premium members, they have clear setups. If I see a setup, I'll post it. They have a New York session where we discuss setups and we are posting trades, we are posting investment ideas for the premium members. So for the public, I'll keep this live stream. Is designed for premium members. I will not go on 5-minute chart and give you a lot of scalp ideas. Let's just keep it that way. I'm trying to reach more people, and I think I could help more people not to do stupid things. Okay? You'll not learn to be a day trader or a swing trader from the live streams. It's hard to do that, but at least you'll stay out from big troubles. Okay. Now, we'll form a W here? I don't know. I'm waiting. That was my scenario. I'm still waiting for that. I could tell the market do a W? No. I should wait and see what happened and react after the market made the W. If we'll push lower, well, we'll probably be with bullish divergence, and then I'll wait that W may be lower. Something like this. Even here. I don't know that. And I don't need to know what market will do. I need to see the W and then to decide, well, I'll take the breakout or I'll take the retest. Simple as that. Okay. Now, DXY, pushing higher. You can see DXY is strong. Nothing we can say bad about the DXY. You can see we touched 100 level. We said, well, no, we don't want to stay there. We want higher. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D play will be above 107. Now, let's see what will happen. Still in the big range. If you look left and you zoom out, you'll see, yeah, it's a range here. We can push higher? Yeah, of course, we can. Bitcoin on the other template, or the same template here. Again, repeat after me. Market is strong. Yeah, it's a bit late for that phrase, but it's still valid idea. I know it's annoying, and I like that. Honestly, I like that because that will get your attention. When you get annoyed, you are paying attention. Total market cap, similar with Bitcoin, but the difference is we are still below the all-time high. So Chase, no, we cannot trade this one, but as an idea, Chase here, no. Let's wait for a dip. Total 2, it's testing the highs, is retracing, it's back in the short three low zone, similar. Total 3, we didn't even touch, didn't touch 61.8, again, below the rest of it. At some point in time, this one will outperform. When? I don't know. When Bitcoin dominance will give me a daily EM, probably. Yes. On daily, it's strong. Don't kid yourself. Don't say, well, we had already. We don't even have a 3-bar fractal top, people. Don't even have a 3-bar fractal top on daily. We have 1, 2, 3, but we didn't trigger this one. And even if we'll trigger, could be a fake out or... But we can say, well, we have a 3-bar fractal top. Yeah, if we'll trade below this level. Let's put it to what color? Red? I think red, it's okay. Yeah, there you go. And keep in mind, I'm on CFD, I'm on Capital.com, is not ES. Yeah. So on daily, on ES in general, you get the idea, ES 500, we don't have not even a 3-bar fractal top. Okay? And usually the market loves to switch to bearish side or to bullish to change the direction with 3-bar fractal patterns. If you see a 3-bar fractal anywhere in the chart, that means reversal? No, but in key points, they are a good tell that the market will reverse. And that's how a 3-bar fractal looks. 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Kind of a V top or V bottom. If it's more like a U and not a V, that means M's and W's. If it's like this, well, still valid levels. You want to see when we had like this? Well, look here. Everywhere. Look here. Market loves to switch with 3-bar fractals. Now, same chart with, I don't think it's the case, only Monday to look at the halvenings and everything else. We reached the target for the Abdullah head and shoulder pattern. You can see that. Yeah? From this low to this high, head and shoulder, complicated one, not the easiest one to think about, but the target is hit, and that's our idea. 90K on the dot, So it's like someone painted that pattern there. Anyway, let's go on lower time frame and see what we have on the day trading part. We talked about the news. Okay, so yesterday was a good day for day traders on Crypto Traders Arena. I mean, I don't know, for the rest of them, it's up to them, not up to us. So in the morning we are discussing here. DCM formed when Stefan was live streaming. We are discussing in the chat beside the live stream, and we saw DCM, and Stefan even framed the trade live and posted on VIP. So people who watched Stefan saw live DCM printing. We took this one, we make it free. I prefer to close 50% at 1-to-1 and don't do anything else. And you can see I'm still in that trade. Okay. And then in the New York session, which by the way was for everyone, because Tuesday it's for all people. So if you are a Crypto Traders Arena Discord member, you should be there. And we saw this W, breakout and retest. And I said, well, if you want to take the breakout, okay. If not, wait for a retest. And we had a retest and we reached more than 2-to-1. So here we have 2.4 almost. So you cannot tell me, well, I didn't have the opportunity to take some profit. Well, usually you should take everything if you are a beginner at 2-to-1. If you want to trail, that's a different story. Okay? Here, if you notice, I didn't say, I wasn't aggressive in saying, well, take 50% at 1-to-1. Why? Here I was fading the trend. Here I was playing with the trend. Different. And you can take the breakout or the retest. Well, after the retest, I don't see the point to take 50% at 1-to-1. At 1-to-1, you can move your stop at scratch and just leave with the results. You'll learn that in Crypto Traders Arena on premium part, how to I don't know, how to trail and how to manage your position. Well, the chat is pretty quiet. I don't know. Stefan, you drink your coffee already or you are still sleeping? I'm the sleepy one today. Now, we pushed higher. We kind of grind back down overnight with an M. Not the textbook one, but we had the same good location. We had a M with a slightly higher high here. But who was there overnight could play this one. Why I'm saying that? Well, wasn't the textbook one, but was a valid pattern, let's say. And you had the breakdown and then you had the retest. So you don't tell me if you are awake in the middle of the night, you cannot take this pattern. It's not textbook. Sometimes the market will just come and take the liquidity and come back down. You should play that one. It's up to you if you are sharp enough. And okay, similar breakdown, retest. You should not be aggressive. You should only take 2-to-1. You had 2-to-1. Let's see. I didn't take that trade, so don't think I took the trade. 2-to-1, exactly 2-to-1. Let's see. Well, there you go. In the morning at 8:30 in my time zone, you got hit with a nice take profit at 2-to-1. So people, if you are sharp enough, if you are a trader, you'll find opportunities everywhere. But you have to be that guy that sees opportunities everywhere. And don't do stupid stuff like moving your stop loss against you or removing the stop loss or taking a trade with a bigger risk than you should. They are usual mistakes. Or over trading. You have to have some clear rules to play and you have to be able to respect them. If you want to call yourself trader, if not, call yourself investor. Not bad, you can still make money, maybe more than a lot of traders. Okay, what we can see now in the chart? I see a W here. Well, not quite. Not quite a W. I could see an aggressive EM here. I could see a trend channel here, and we are trying to break out from that channel. Well, I'll show you a kind of a channel. It's ugly to frame it, but I think it's a valid one. Why I think it's valid? Well, I'm looking at how well the middle part of the channel is, and you can see we are breaking out. Maybe we'll make a W and push back up to the highs. So don't think short here, think long. Let's see, we have some divergence. Well, there you go. We have bullish divergence confirmed already on MACD, on 50-minute chart. Wait for a pattern, wait for a W and take the trade if you want, if you are a day trader. If you are not a day trader, stay the fuck out. Simple as that, people. Okay, now, that's Bitcoin on 50-minute chart. Let's just delete some of this. I'll go on 4-hour chart to see the usual guilty altcoins. Okay? And I'll start with IEVO. Why I'm starting with IEVO? Well, because we discussed this one multiple times in my list. I know a lot of you, when the market was here at the top, looking bullish and strong, and you asked me or you saw me or you heard me saying, well, wait for a dip. You said, well, Paul, we'll go to the moon. Learn that usually long reload zone is to reload. Yeah, that's why I think Brian Beamish put the name on this fib tool, reload. He called it reload zone. The fib is old, is not invented by us, but the name of reload zone is from Brian Beamish. learn that the market will usually come, touch 61.8, bounce, and then come back in the long reload zone here and make a W. When the market is really strong, will front run 61.8, but usually will at least touch 61.8 and then will push higher. But usually comes here, makes a W, and then is going higher. How exactly will that happen? I don't know. Kind of. This is kind of a AB equals CD. You can see high, low. That will bring us in this area, and then here maybe something like this. Maybe even a retest. That would be great. Then pushing higher. Let's put it to the green and come on. It's too much. Something like this. Market will respect my squiggly lines? No. But will form probably a pattern. Usually does something like this. Comes this AB equals CD, okay, big M in the long reload zone, stays here, makes a W, breakout, retest, and you have 2 points to enter here at the breakout or at the retest. And then the market is saying bye-bye, going higher. So chasing in this area here, not a good idea. Chasing here in the pump chaser zone, if you don't see a W, not a good idea. Pump chaser zone is for really strong markets when you see a W in the pump chaser zone. Okay, I love the tool, but in specific condition. I'm doing the squiggly lines on IFO because you will see the same patterns on the rest of the altcoins we have on this list. And most of the altcoins we have in crypto. Okay, so they are similar. I don't need to do the same story over and over again. Yeah, that's the best thing you can learn from this live stream if you want. It's, well, market come back in the long reload zone. I should wait there. Wait for a W, wait for bullish divergence, wait for all the reasons to take a trade. Now, because we have an M here, we can even think about, on lower time frame, we can even think about a trend line. Okay, and maybe the W will be here. Okay, W will be completely the other side of the trend line. That will be nice. That will be nice. Anyway, that's IEVO. If you are on daily chart, for example, well, that's the dip you are waiting. You should keep dollar cost averaging here because it's a good level. If you are a trader on 4-hour chart, then you should wait for long reload zone. Okay, so investors or position traders, you can build your position on spot. Alt, similar story. Yeah, similar story. Look where long reload zone is. Well, I'll love to buy the dip. You can buy the dip, but if you are a lower time frame player, on 4-hour chart, you can see here we have A, B, C, D pointing out here in the long reload zone. Similar story. Doge, don't chase Doge here. 50 cents. Come on, people. Don't chase Doge here. Okay, we played a really strong move from 20 cents to 40 cents. We doubled the market cap. We doubled everything. You know the reasons. You think we'll go without stopping? I don't think so. Anyway, Doji is to wait in the long reload zone. Dimension looks similar like the rest of the altcoins. Okay, backing in the long reload zone. People, don't panic. I saw people saying, well, Paul, Bitcoin 90K, Bitcoin 100K, altcoins down. What I should do? Nothing. You just wait like me. Nothing you can do. You don't panic sell the bottom. Learn that lesson. Learn from me and other people. Or you want to do it yourself and wait another cycle to make money? Well, it's up to you. Okay. Fat. Similar. We are in the long reload zone, at least on this one. I'm keep blabbing away that I want my level. I don't know if I'll get it, but looks like it. I see a setup here? No. Similar to this one. It's stronger than the rest, but I'm patient enough and I could wait here for a W. Let's make a clear W. Okay. Manta, waiting in the long reload zone, or waiting for a double, waiting for something. You want pump chaser zone? Okay, wait for a double there. Osmo, similar stuff. Well, nice bounce from 38 to 52. Okay, V bottom. No. V bottom don't hold usually. We need a retest and look at where long reload zone is. Pyth, similar story. Saga, similar story. We are in the long reload zone. We should do a W at 78.6 on Saga. You can see the initial W. Well, if we'll make a W here at 78.6, where altcoins love to double, then you can play something. Don't chase it. Don't even think about longing without a setup. Solana, similar story. Solana is stronger. We should draw a long reload zone from this high to this low. Where that bring us? Well, in this area. Will come all the way down here? I don't know. On Solana, we can think first. We can think pump chaser zone on Solana. Okay? Because it's stronger. Because we have a lot of meme coins. Because we have reason to think it's stronger than the rest. Well, we are not there. Not even in the pump chaser zone. We can play at 200 level here. And if we'll W out, we can think AB equals CD. Yeah? AB equals CD will push us to the highs, all-time high. Tao. We had a nice setup. We managed to get 1-to-1. We got stopped out. Let's delete this one now. What we can do on this one? Let's think AB equals CD. It's completed, okay? Now let's think pump chaser zone. We are here. If Tau is stronger than the rest, as everyone assumes, I'll see a W here. If not, I'll wait in the long reload zone. If I'll not see a W, I could wait here. Level by level, people. Tia. If I'll draw a long reload zone, what are the chances that we have some confluence there? Pump chaser zone for the moment. I don't see the W. I think AB equals CD. We had the M, we had the breakdown, retest, and we can do an AB equals CD, which will give us a long reload zone. How many times I said long reload zone today? Someone in the chat. Please tell me how many times I said it. Yams here on 4-hour chart on ES. We have some yams, some violent moves. We don't have a 3-bar fractal, so on daily we are still strong. On 4-hour chart we have an yam. And probably some bearish divergence, yeah. At least RSI and MACD. Not. 1-to-1, stop us out. We were playing on lower time frame, got stopped out on kind of scratch with Holy Grail. Too late now. Don't chase it, don't do anything. Look left. Well, this is the bottom. Let's take a fib tool, fib retracement. There you go. Happy birthday. This is the area where you want to buy. Pepe. We played Pepe, was nice and strong. If you remember yesterday, 50-minute chart. We discussed it in the New York session. Okay? I said, well, Pepe looks strong enough for a trade. Take this one. And I don't know if we reached 2-to-1. Well, we did more than that. We even touched the highs here, almost. 2-to-1 will be somewhere in exactly here. So you had the chance to exit at 2-to-1, then the market collapsed. Not because Pepe it's weak, just because Bitcoin retraced a little bit. So this trade was framed in the New York live stream. Which, by the way, every Tuesday is for everyone. Okay, that's the list. It's half an hour speaking about altcoins and overviewing the market. Red day. Don't be upset when you see red. You are in a bull market. In a bull market, when you see red, you should be greedy. You should think buy, buy, buy. Okay? And we are thinking buy on IEVO, on 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart even. Okay? We are thinking buy. Not here, but close enough. So we are embracing the dip for a setup. Let's just wait for a clear setup, okay? If you are premium member, you'll get a lot of a lot of posts if will form setups. If you are a general member, you'll get a notification or someone will tell you, well, we are buying here, and probably will post some ideas. Well, I'm speaking by myself, people, or you are still here with me? Well, Stefan is back to sleep. Nobody's here? Okay. So, Radu, it's dramatic. I'm here. Just give me ENA for our chat. Okay, Radu, let's do that. ENA, it's a strong one. It's holding pretty nice. Let's see, 4 hour chart. Up, down, up, down. Well, it's stepping higher on daily. Yeah, I'm looking at daily here. You can see you had long reload zone pushing higher. You had another area here. If you take this one, you had another step again in the 61.8 in that location I was talking about, Rado, multiple times and stepping higher. Now, what you can do, if I did that, what I should do now? Well, I think you should do the same. Okay? If this uptrend stepping higher is still valid, market will touch 61.8, look for a setup here, and you can play that game. Okay? 4 hour chart. 4 hour chart tells me that you should wait, because we have kind of ugly patterns here. You can find a trade here with the palm chaser zone. Yeah, it's kind of dangerous, I'll tell you that. And you should go on 1 hour chart, and not that easy to play, but it's possible. Well, you can see palm chaser zone 38.2 to 50%. It's for strong markets, which this one tries to be a strong market. Show me a W, not there, in the palm chaser zone, somewhere in here. Let's say this one will push here, and then will come back here, we'll test these lows, and then we'll do something like this. And then say goodbye and go higher. Okay, so that's my thinking here. Okay, that's the first condition, to have something here, a W. If not, switch to the long reload zone and wait there. If you'll see the market trying to make a W, will not succeed to make a clear breakout, you should not enter, you should wait for lower levels. Okay, that's my thinking on 4 hour chart. Well, Stefan is not sleeping. No, we don't short correction, and we are not buying the rip. We are not buying the tops there, Rado. Pretty simple way to trade in a bull market. Everyone should make money, you know. Everyone is a good trader if you respect some basic stuff. Yeah, stay with the trend. Don't buy the top. Buy a retracement, and then don't exit at 2 to 1. Just try to stay in the trend as long as possible. Or close 50% at 2, 3 to 1, whatever you want. Move the stop watch scratch on the rest, and just trail the rest of the trade. And you'll make money in a bull market. That will make you a good trader. That will make you a good trader for this kind of environment. Easy mode. You'll not be a successful trader in hard mode or a range game and a bear market. Okay? But it's a start. If you want to learn, you can become one. It's easy? No. If it will be easy, everyone will do it and will not have value. Simple as that. Yeah, well, I prefer not to do that, Radu. On 50-minute chart, it's day trading, scalping. I'll do it now, but please, just let's try to stay on higher time frame, okay? Let's try to stay on the higher time frame, because I don't think it's public video. It's okay. Why you want me to look at this one on a 50-minute chart when you see what I see on a 4 hour chart? I could tell you the same story, okay? You are in pump chaser zone, but you lost the 50%. Yeah, you can make a W here, probably, but will hold, probably not. Okay, so you are trying to do something here, but you don't have a clear W. You are trying to do a W, but in the same time, this could be a continuation to the downside. Fake out and then lower. What you can do on this one is to wait, because we lost 50% already. Okay, and look at long reload zone is pretty damn close, 61.8. You want to take this one? It's up to you. I don't recommend it. AB equals CD is not completed yet. AB equals CD is completed in the long reload zone. Yeah? So look for the targets. Why? We have fundamental events that should tell us something else? No. We can see AB equals CD is pointing out here. So that will be the area where you should look. Simple as that, Radu. Well, we can make money, but the problem is everyone could make money, Nguyen, but not everyone could keep the money. Someone has to buy the top or close to the top and stay with the bags and guard the bags for years. It's not simple. By the way, Radu, you know the drill. I don't want to say it again and again. I'm just a guy on YouTube telling his opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. So do what your financial advisor is telling you, or assume your decisions. But you know that already. Well, first of all, Nguyen, I'm not Stefan. I'm Paul. I founded the Crypto Traders Arena, and I'm working with Stefan. Both of us, we are working here in the community to make it bigger, to help people, to make some money and things like that. Yeah, but this you should recognize as after our voices. I'm Paul. Stefan has a totally different voice, a bit more calm, a bit more. Okay? On Ethereum, for a scalp, you are a day trader, Nguyen? You don't look like one. I don't know if you'll hold. I don't see the W. I could see 50-minute chart. You can assume this is a W, but no, it's not. So no reason to think we'll bounce here. I think we can push a bit lower first. I don't see a setup here. Too close to the liquidity. If they'll build liquidity, yeah, they'll push this one higher. But I think they want to take some liquidity here. We have 1, 2, 3 points, at least 1 point, 2 points, and leave this one untouched. I don't know. $3,000 is too damn close now. Yeah, Stefan will fall back to sleep in first 2 minutes of the live stream. Well, let me check. No. Maybe I'm speaking stupid stuff. Well, he's not yet in the VIP chat. He has to start the VIP after I finish this live stream. He's playing a serious game with VIP guys. By the way, people, take the Black Friday offer. We have 1 year plus 3 months, and we didn't increase the prices. So if you want to become one of us and be a Crypto Traders Arena member on premium part, take the advantage. Only access to Holy Grail will make that money, and maybe 10, 50 times more. It's up to you. We don't force you to do anything. We don't shield too aggressively here. We have only one referral, and that's for our members. If they bring their friends, we give them the possibility to take 10% from that, or to give that 10% as a gift for their friends. So I think it's a nice way to encourage them to bring their friends here. Okay, so let's wrap it up. Let's call it a live stream and see you guys. If you are a premium member in the New York session, if you are a VIP member in 2 minutes and on VIP, if you are a general member tomorrow morning with the same kind of live stream. Okay? Okay, people. Protect your capital. Wait for clear setups. Okay? Simple as that. See you next time.